So we have a reverse lunge with weight in a goblet position. So elbows are going to stay forward and underneath the weight. You're going to step backwards. Drop your knee down to the floor. Notice where my knees are. I'm pretty close together. A lot of people want to step back really far and then all the weight's in their front leg. I want you to use both feet to push. As you step back, keep weight in your back foot and then push back up. You can alternate sides. Make sure to stay nice and tall on these. Okay,